Assalamu alaikum students, welcome again. Welcome to the last session of this week 12 video. This one is the sixth session. Now types of interview को ही हम continue किए हुए था हमने और last slide में हम types of interview को discuss कर रहे थे जो हम discuss कर चुके थे. There are further different types of interview जिसमें email, web, पर्सनल और टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू को हमने देखा था. नेक्स्ट वन इज अबाउट how to deal with the anxiety in the interview. This is very important thing. Interviewing for a job is often filled with anxiety and fear, but it doesn't have to be that way. Generally, we are having anxiety and fear before the start of the interview. It's like it's a difficult thing from which we have to, you can say, go through and cross from the that thing. So this one is about again how we have to remove that anxiety. So how we can reduce that anxiety. So good preparation is the best way. Being prepared is the best way to reduce the anxiety and help ensure a successful job interview. So there are things we can do to prepare ourselves and become more self-confident and relaxed. So preparation, and again preparation and rehearsal. That is very important for the, you can say, to remove the to reduce the anxiety of the interview, because if you have fear and if you are not confident about your interview, it's like whatever you are doing, whatever you have done, that is useless. आपकी सारी efforts zero हो जाती हैं. So this session is basically after types of interview जो हमने basic start में objectives को discuss किया. This session is about preparation of interview, good preparation of interview, or how we can prepare the good interview. So for preparing the interview, the number of things that we have to know, like gather work samples, copies of the resume, and references and place in a nice case or folder. Definitely, each and everything has to be in a proper assembled one at one place. So remember to bring a pen. Mostly we are not used to of, but don't you can say use it again and again, just like tick 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 हम जो कर रहे होते हैं. Rehearse your answer again. Rehearsal and practice is very important. Write down your questions about the job or organization. Again, this is very important. You have to write down your questions related to your job. You have to find out what are the questions your interviewer can ask from you. So do practice it. Review your work history again. Again, you have to review it, revise it, and you have to know about the last experiences and all that. Practice, and you have to know how you have to answer if someone asks about your past experience. Practice your answer to the common interview question. That is about your common interview question पूछे जाते हैं उसको आपने properly practice करना है. Be prepared for the surprises. Again, anything that can be asked in your interview, that can be about open-ended question होते हैं जो आपके whatever they want to ask they can ask. So you be ready for that thing. Next one is about job interview. Generally, whenever we are talking about preparation of interview, commonly asked job interview questions can be asked from you. Why do you want to work for our company? What are, we can say, what are your future career plans? Very important. These are the common and basic questions that will be asked for every individual regarding their interview. Tell me something about yourself in a better, and for that reason you have to find out the positive points. It's very important. That is the reason SWOT analysis is very important. Strength and weaknesses, to find out the strength, and yeah, always you can say uh, prominent your strength. There is no need to find out the weaknesses, and just you have to you can say आप उनको prominent करें, and there is no need to hide करें, but make sure कि आप अपने weaknesses को find out करें, and make sure कि आप next person को भी ऐसे convey करें कि our weaknesses that will be converted into the strength in future. Why did you choose this particular field or work? You have to answer properly. That means what's your interest, why you are interested in that field. So accordingly, you have to describe a past work situation where you were encountered a problem or You can say describe how you solve that situation. So conflict resolution, leadership power, and all that skills, management skills. This is what your manager or your interviewer wants to find out in you. That means this one is about management skills, how you have to tackle, how you will deal in different situations. At the same time, टेक्निकल स्किल्स के साथ साथ आपके मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स में भी आपको स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए being a good manager or good manager. So this one is about what type of general question will be asked from you when we are talking about the preparation of interview. Basically, ये हमारा last session है preparation का. So what type of general question will be asked from you? That can be why do you want this job? Generally, अभी हमने discuss किया. What are you the best person for the job? Why you are the best person for this job? What relevant experience do you have? You have to tell them in detail why you are interested in working for this company. Is what's the basic interest in that company? Why do you know about this? How do you know about what do you know about this company? What can you contribute to this company? Being a you can say skillful individual for that company, you have to tell them these are the skills that I have and this is how I can benefit that company or I can contribute for this company. Being a good individual, I'm a loyal, sincere, and competent individual. So, what challenges are you looking for in a position? Again, what do you know about that position? Accordingly, you have to explain. What do you want to work for this company? Why should we hire you? And what are your salary requirements? These are the common question, and that must be asked by the interviewer. So, accordingly, you have to prepare yourself. Another very important thing, and the most important thing during the interview, these are the very important points that you have to know, and you have to prepare yourself accordingly. Be on time at least 10 minutes before the time of the interview. Be friendly and with everyone. Whatever the individual is, when you have to enter in the organization, you have to be friendly with everyone. Show your enthusiasm for your work. Be positive and honest again for your work and organization. Maintain eye contact. It's very important with the group panel or interviewer or employer. Express yourself in a positive way with positive body language. Don't criticize your previous employer and so on. Be aware of the body language. Be positive. This is very important. Be a good listener. You have to be a good listener. This is very important. Already we have discussed in last sessions what's the advantages at the same time being an individual who has to give the interview. So you have to be a good listener. Emphasize your strengths. Be yourself. Avoid personal issues again, and be confident about whatever you are saying, whatever they are asking. Discuss ways you can contribute, again, how you can contribute for that organization. So these are very important points for good interview. You have to prepare yourself. Next one is about guidelines for conducting an interview. So, what are the guidelines for conducting an interview, and how you can follow these guidelines, and that can be the you can say better for the you can say your interview. So these are the guidelines. In next slide, students, we will discuss and also discuss the how you can solve your assignments. So thank you for this session, students. Thank you so much.